Welcome back to Cocina y Soy. This is Carmen Julia and today we're gonna be making rosquilletas, a recipe that comes from my hometown, Valencia, Spain.
Dissolve the yeast in the water to prove it. Let it rest for 5 minutes and you will see some bubbles. In a large bowl, sift the flour. Make a little volcano by adding the proof yeast, the olive oil, the salt in the middle. Mix until you create a little ball with a wooden spoon. Add flour. Knead until you create a homogeneous dough that feels elastic. Coat the surface of the bowl with olive oil and let it rest in a warm spot for about 1 hour. Using your hands, cut it into small balls, then roll them into little sticks. Top them with some sea salt. In a preheated oven at 356 Fahrenheit, bake for 30 to 40 minutes for an extra crunchy finish. Let them rest by transferring them to a cooling rack.
This is called rosquilletas, also called saladitos when you top them with salt. They are really crunchy in the outside and super crunchy in the inside. Good. See you next week.